Beer brewing is a harmonious blend of art and science. The process begins with malting, where barley grains are germinated. Mashing combines the malt with hot water, extracting fermentable sugars. Boiling the wort sterilizes it and allows for hop additions. Rapid cooling prepares the wort for the introduction of yeast. Fermentation transforms the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Conditioning allows the beer to mature and develop its character. Packaging ensures the beer is ready for distribution and enjoyment. Explore the intricate steps that elevate beer to a craft. Discover the passion and artistry behind every sip. Unveil the secrets of beer brewing and appreciate its complexity. Join us on this captivating journey through the world of beer.